Bitcoin is now at this very price level of 36.3k, and for me this market should come back down when certain level is broken, and that is what I'll be sharing with you today. And on the 4-hour chart right here, you see the market retrace after this very move. Is market going to move up, or we're going to see markets come back down a little bit before the market will move to the upside? Also on ETH and all of these into this analysis. If you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content. On the 1-day chart Bitcoin, I told you that the market is going to come down. You see the market move up and could not create a new peak on the MACD histogram, and this creates a divergence on the chart right here. If you look at this very area, you see the market is diverging. So from this point on the chart, and if you connect the same point on the indicator to this very peak right here to this area, you see the market is moving upward on the chart and price is coming downward on the indicator. This is a clear divergence, but I said before you can take a trade on this divergence, we have to see confirmation, and two confirmations that we need to see. The first one is this very area right here on the MACD histogram. It should start forming red bars to the downside, that is on the negative side of the MACD. Once you see that, that is the first confirmation, which is already at this very point. So we are seeing this already, and the next thing we want to see is a breakout. If you look at this here from this point, market have not really broken out on this very area. Market come to this point, come back to the upside, and then come back here again. What I am expecting right now is a confirmation of this very breakout. So if market break here, then I am expecting market to drop significantly to the downside. On BTC, this is what you need to watch right now, because if market breaks, market is going to move upward. Then if market did not break, don't take any sell or short opportunity on the 1-day chart Bitcoin, because you need to be very specific about what you are looking out for in the market. So for this price action, wait for the market to break with a significant bearish candle. Once we see that close below a close at this very point, then that means the market is going to come back to the downside, and this is what you have to watch so that you can take advantage of this breakout once it happens for the market to move downward. Remember, the MACD is already forming on the negative side of the MACD, which means once you see that breakout, markets have high capacity of moving to the downside, and that is what I am paying attention to as well. 4-hour chart BTC USDT, market move down, and then this is in form of a retracement. For me, I am expecting that this market move upward a little bit, but before that movement come in from this area where the market is right now to this very zone of important support, expect the market to come down a little bit, and then from this area the market is going to retrace back to the upside before continuation downward. So right now expect a little drop in Bitcoin to the downside, then from this zone of support to this very area of support, the market is going to from here move to the upside slightly, then a failure to create a new high at this very point, just like we see the market, then it will mean that the market is going to come back down again. So this is what you need to pay attention to right now. So for now, you have to wait for a little drop in Bitcoin to the downside. This is what I am expecting. What this means is it is important for you to take a long position on Bitcoin 4-hour chart and not a short position until we see a fail swing like in this case. That is only when you can take a short position. That is, if the market move up and fail to create a new high at this very point, then it will be a good time to take a short opportunity to the downside. But right now we are still in an uptrend. If you look at this trend, market is still moving upward. So if market drop a little bit into this area, it will be a nice time to long or buy the market for market to move upward again. This is what you need to do on the BTC 4-hour chart. And ETH here, if you look at ETH is having a good correction. This is all correction, okay, from this very area of resistance up, down to this area, they are all correction of this very impulsive. What I am expecting right now on ETH is the market to move back to the upside, and before that should happen, we're expecting that from here where the market is right now, in this very zone of support right here, the market should find support within this zone and move to the upside. So a slight movement into this zone is required, and from here market is going to move upward for retracement of this impulsive move. Because if you look at ETH on this very downtrend, you see the market move and then retrace, move again, retrace. So this movement is going to pause very soon before the next retracement again to the upside on ETH. So what you need to do on ETH is to wait for the market to come down a little bit. For me, this will be a nice buy spot because from here the market moved drastically upward, so it is a very strong support zone. So market have capacity of buying from here again to the upside. You can enter a buy position from this zone for market to move a little bit upward on ETH. This is what you have to watch right now. And on Matic have dropped significantly. What I am expecting right now on Matic is a breakout of this very level of support is very important. So once I see a breakout on this level of support to the downside, it's not a time to short the market. So if you see a breakout from here downward, don't short the market, rather you have to buy the market. Okay, so sometimes you must have to do the opposite of what majority of the retail traders are doing. And if a breakout happen and we see the candle that closed below this very spike, then it will be a nice time to take a long or buy position on Matic. The reason is because market has dropped significantly from here up to this point. So if you see a breakout from this level, the breakout will not be that strong. Market can just break out a little bit and come down into this zone of important support before market will move back to the upside. So this very area is very important after a breakout. So this zone is what you need to watch as well if the market break out of this very level of important support. This is what I am expecting. That means if the market did not break and you see the market revolve around this very level of support right here, then it means a buy opportunity will be a nice thing to do for market to move upward significantly. This is what I am expecting as well. Remember, the market is still in an uptrend for MATICUSD, and for Solana here, you see the market is at this point. I am expecting a drop on Sol from here to this level of support. This is where the market moved from in the past and creates a new high. So from this very area of important support right here, I should expect the market to bounce up from this zone. So market should move a little bit into this area, then from this area market should move upward on Solana. This is what you need to watch right now. From here market should move upward, and this is what I am also watching right now on the 4-hour chart. And finally on ADA, if you look at ADA, move up, create a new high, come back down. I am expecting that this level should not break on ADA, because if you see a breakout of this level of support right here, then that means market is going to go down a little bit before a severe buy, just like I talk about on Matic. The same thing I'm also expecting on ADA. So market should come here and then fail to break out, market go up a little bit and then create a new high above this very level of resistance. That means as the market is right now, a market begin to move upward, a market break out here and create a new high, then it will be a nice time to buy the market for the market to move upward. Then if you see a breakout on this very level of support, so a breakout here will send the market into this very level of support here and this area right here. So this very point will now be a very nice spot to take a buy opportunity from if you see a breakout. So a breakout here, market should come down a little bit, then it will be a nice time to buy again from this very area. Remember, you are not shorting on ADA right now. This is what I am expecting on these various charts, more especially on the 1-day chart, because the higher time frame control what is going to happen on the lower time frame. And remember, when Bitcoin begin to drop, 90% of the coins is going to drop to the downside. This is what you need to pay attention to right now. What do you think of this chart? Are you expecting a breakout or the market is going to move upward? Comment below in the comment section of this very video. And if you are new to this channel, please like the video, help subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification for more updates like this every single day. Also check the channel for other educational content right here. Help subscribe to our forex channel. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.